horsepower if you're gonna stay with cats. You know? It's a quiet little neighborhood. Alright, we got the car on the lift. Let's go ahead and get off. Up she goes. Le quería cortar estos. Ok.
Bueno, entonces déjame que tomo esto de una vez.
Ok, gracias. Damn. Can you believe it, guys? Not even a day with the cats. So on my way over here, I'm gonna have to look into the AFR readings because I was looking at them and they were stuck at 14. So I was doing some research and it looks like it could be the O2 extension. So we're gonna go ahead and look into that. You know, the funny thing is that when I got there, the guy doing my exhaust, he thought my car was a V8 until I told him it was a V6 because of how mean it looked. And yeah, shout out to them for the speedy service. It took me right in. So, props for that. And she sounded louder. She sounded a lot louder. Turn off the AC. What a calm little neighborhood. Such a shame if someone were to step on it. AFR is not really moving, so I gotta look into that. Way too hot to be driving when the window's down though. 90 degrees. You know what? We did just do the oil change, so a little traction control is on, so a little 4K RPM shift wouldn't hurt, right? The shifting was a little off. We're gonna do some data logging for sure, because we gotta get this tuned 100%. Plus it is really hot for me to be beating on this car. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wait for it to be cooler, you know. Can't be abusing it when it's 100 degrees outside and super humid. Not healthy for the car. That's another reason why I gotta wrap this video up. She sounds good, guys. Just at idle. It's a whole lot of fun. I ain't gonna lie. That's loud. Just what I wanted.